When the machine arrives for installation, the main unit and the discharge chute are separated. The pneumatic tubes here are disconnected for shipping and must be plugged back in. Please reconnect them one by one according to their corresponding port labels. Ensure there is a clearance gap between the chute and the main unit. They must not touch and need space between each other. Please reconnect the main cables and pneumatic tubes on the base frame according to their corresponding numbers. Each vibratory bowl is numbered. For example, match vibratory bowl number 5 with the number 5 label on the frame. Align the corresponding hopper. Ensure it is perfectly centered over the receptacle below, with no deviation to the left or right. Next, reconnect the pneumatic tube on the side of the bowl, matching the label. Plug the control cable, like this number 9, into the controller box and tighten the connector. Place the mounting feet of the bowl exactly into the prefixed brackets to prevent any shifting during operation. Finally, ensure the discharge port is aligned in a straight line with the sensor. It must be centered to avoid misalignment. After all cables and tubes are properly connected and matched, connect the air supply here and open the air valve. Next, plug in the main power cord. Turn on the main power switch to start the machine. The discharge conveyor belt plugs into this socket underneath. And this socket is for connecting the check weigher.